Hello, hello, hello. So I'm just going to do a really quick video to show you this little first aid kit that you can make. If you're watching this, you're probably a Dollar Tree fan, so you may already know this, or maybe you stumbled across it and you don't know this. But Dollar Tree has a lot of great items for like first aid that are $1. They're less expensive than what you can find at regular stores. And so if you're looking for, I mean, it could be a little gift, or it could be like a little housewarming, or like if your kid's going away to college, anything. Obviously the ideas are endless to what you can do. But my son had been telling me that he needed some band-aids, he needed this, he needed that, and so I had started putting it together. And then he was like I've been picking up things for quite a while. And then he was like, I really need it like now, because I had a little minor boo-boo, or not so minor. But anyway, so I have to give it to him, so I'm just filming it real quick before I give it to him, just so y'all know you can make a first aid kit from Dollar Tree. So of course you want to start with the container, and I have the container here and all the supplies, and we'll just kind of go through it. Right now you can see it doesn't fit. I've just kind of thrown it all in there. So let's empty it out and take some stuff out of boxes and see what's gonna fit. So I actually hadn't seen these before, and I really thought the size and the color was really good, so I grabbed this one to start it off. And let's see. So this is just some small gauze pads. I think they might be individually wrapped. Yes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take them out or leave them in here. There are 10 of them. So let's see. I kind of want those to stay if they'll fit. This is the triple antibiotic ointment. To me, I use this. It's no different than Neosporin, and it's $1. And y'all know Neosporin is not $1. So again, I can't tell the difference. It is the same to me. So I'm going to open this one and throw that in. There it goes. And just the only thing I would say is check expiration dates. I did check these. Like, this is good until 2024, so we're good. And then the I was like, I bought 2. No, that was the package. And then the hydrocortisone cream. Again, this one, I've used it. It's just as good as the oh, I can't think of the name brand right now. Is it called just hydrocortisone? Y'all leave it in the comments. I can't think of the name, but you know what I'm talking about. The anti-itch cream. This is just as good as the name brand, so I'm going to throw that in there. And let's see. These are alcohol prep pads. So if they got a scrape, a cut, and they want to use the little alcohol wipe, there's 100 of these in here. And this is good like if you're going on a hike or out for the day. You can grab a few of these and take them with you as well. I'm going to put that in the package for now and see how that goes. Let's see. And then I have 2, I picked up 2 of these different ones. I think they're pretty much the same. They're just different brands. And again, sometimes they do have name brand stuff, so you just have to look when you go to your Dollar Tree and see. I believe these are packaged, yes. So see, this box is kind of big and bulky, but this is just one roll. So I am going to go ahead and put this in here. I don't know why the color's changing, the light's changing on my camera. And again, this one is the same. It is individually wrapped in here. So instead of the big box, I'm just going to throw this in here. And then I got 2 packages of Band-Aids, Curad, name brand, and they're camo, so kind of cool for boys, guys, and girls if they like camo. And then just the regular Flex fabric. I can't remember if I've tried these before, and I will be honest, my favorite ones are the Band-Aid brand Flex fabric. So actually, I'm going to take one of these out. Let's keep it for myself and see how it compares. So I'll do my little test on that. But, and again, you could take these out of the package, leave them in the package. I'm going to see what's going to work in here to get all of this to fit. Let's see. Okay. And then I did pick this up originally because I was just going to give him this. And this is It comes with 8 sheer bandages, 2 knuckle bandages, 4 sheer bandages smaller, and then 2 tiny little circle bandages, some alcohol prep pads, which we already have in here, and 2 gauze pads, which we already have. And then it does come with this little case. So again, if you were like on the go, out for the day, you could take this or keep it in your car. Maybe he can keep it in his car. But I'm thinking right now it doesn't fit. Oh, it does fit. I got it to fit, y'all. Alright, and there you go. So this has the gauze pads, the band-aids, the anti-itch cream, the alcohol pads, the mini first aid kit inside the big first aid kit. Anyway, I thought it was a really good idea. Maybe have you checked your supplies lately at home? Maybe yours is out of stock and you can run to Dollar Tree and get your stock up. Again, just something every household needs, and I wanted to make this quick video to let you know what's available at Dollar Tree. Things do change, as we all know. If you're a Dollar Tree connoisseur, things do change. So go check it out, see what they have. But I pretty much always find some type of Band-Aid, some type of triple antibiotic. Like it's pretty much always there, it just might be a different brand. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Is there a Band-Aid? You can leave a Band-Aid if you made it this far in the video. I don't know, y'all. I don't leave emojis that much. I have like my same 12 that I use all the time. I don't venture out. Anyway, let me know what you thought and give it a like. I was gonna say a thumbs up. That is a like. Whatever. Give it a like, a thumbs up, click, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you thought. Y'all have a beautifully blessed day.